This is it. This is Portmore. Back road from another entrance. As you can, I have no idea what back road is that was like, and I was nervous as hell. This is where all of the beauty at, all of the fun, any type of fun. Acho?
Yeah, because a back road, you know all type of fun, sexual fun.
Yeah.
Every kind of fun out here. People in the night, if you pass through, you see titties.
Like what?
Titty.
Like what time?
Like what time? And like down at 11 o'clock.
Cheese and piss. Me a night person. I can't stay out so late. So that.
Right now we get out of there and carry the oxer and markets come on later time of the night. You get pum pum like crazy. 2-5 and up. You know.
Hey there, Jordan. You not put camera on you like that. You not put camera on you like that, man. But if you want to talk to you, can talk to me as to how life is like. What back road is like.
No, I'm not the fan now.
And you can't afford to be on camera to make them children see the life that they live. So there you have it, my people, at the popular spot. Port Henderson Road, aka Back Road, and if you remember that spot of ground, Blackfire.
Yeah, give me as I'm singing. Watch out, man, popping and I represent forever blessed travels. You know,
straight out.
Like, share and subscribe. You see me popping there with Blackfire himself. You know the thing go. We are not the NSC, you know the thing go.
What you say you're the NSC? Blackfire.
So like a man that NSC, you never make many see.
Yeah.
Girl, your body clean, I want to put it on you.
Traveling Nation, welcome to another video. Today we're in Portmore. We're gonna be journeying from the Portmore Toll Plaza to the ending of Port Henderson Road. No, Port Henderson Road is a long road. Same road, aka Back Road. And everybody will be journeying from this end to that end. Request. The request was made. And never blessed I got delivered. This is it. This is Portmore. And the beauty of the sun set is right there. And Ever Blessed Travels is right here, representing for Jamaica. Portmore, St. Catherine. And my people, I'm gonna be requesting of you to journey with me as I go. I'm gonna be taking on back road from another entrance, as you can see. So I'll be showing you whatever Bless is saying. Yeah, man. And I'm gonna be asking of you, my people. I'm gonna make this big request of you to give this video a like. Yeah, man. Give this video a like, man. Some of people, when you like up the video, you encourage Ever Blessed Travels to take on more journey. This walk, my people, is going to be a long one. I'm sure it's not going to be a 5K, but Ever Blessed will take it on. So, broiling sun. Yeah, man. Beautiful country we live in. Jamaica. It's called Jamaica. Yeah, man. And it's always a pleasure for me to walk the streets for you and to show you, my people, what you're not able to see while you're driving if you have traversed this end, and to tell you that that direction is coming from Kingston. Yeah, man. They go that way, Portmore Town Centre, and that way is Back Road, and Ever Blessed is going that way. So journey with Ever Blessed as I go. I'll be showing you some excitement. The request was made that I should travel back road from this end, and Ever Blessed is gonna test his nerves today and to see if I am much braver now than when I did the first video. The people are telling the truth. When I did the first video, I have no idea what back road is that was like, and I was nervous as hell. Very nervous doing that one. But today, it's a little bit, Everbless is a little bit braver. So I'm hoping my people to get some more interview in, talk to some more people, want to know how interesting it is to spend time at Back Road. And as I learned, is that Back Road is known for a number of things. Full entertainment. So how much entertainment? And what kind of entertainment? Let's go check out that. So stay tuned for that, my people, as we take on the street like this. Yeah, man. Like this. Portmore. Port Henderson Road, aka Back Road. And if you're going that way, you don't have to pay no toll. So then put a red there, that means no toll pay this one. Toll pay the other direction. Port Augusta. It's a woman prison. Wow. I was told that this prison is no longer in service. Everbless travelers will want to travel to that spot of ground and to see exactly what it is like, and right in center camera is Portmore Harbour Beach. Jano? Yeah, man. Summer people. I'll be going on the beach. I'll just be walking through because the intention is not to feature the beach today. But we can't pass Father Love place and I know feature in place. So now just take a little walk through. There'll be a lot of music in there. So I don't know how much of a recording I can do, but stay tuned. Everybody's about take a little spin through on Portmore Harbour Beach, and that is it. This is Portmore Harbour Beach for people. Yeah, so you're coming from that way, coming off of the toll, nice left turn, and a whole heap of entertainment in a little place I feel. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, my people. I'm gonna be showing you now what Portmore Harbour Beach is like. Hello. Salud. Salud. So that's a refresher memory, my people, as to what Portmore Harbour Beach is like. So this is how it is setting. Nice clean beach. And you can see families having fun there. Yeah, man. Portmore Harbour Beach. So the last time I came here it was a tent, and today we are with...
So my name is Shani and welcome to Breeze on the Beach.
You have your voice a bit so that the people can
my
hear.
name is Shani and this is Breeze on the Beach.
Breeze on the beach?
Yeah.
Alright, and you're located on the...
Portmore Harbour Beach.
Right, so tell me some of the things that persons can get when they visit Portmore Harbour Beach.
So when you visit Portmore Harbour Beach, you have access to different booths. We have 2 restaurants. We sell seafood that includes fish, crab, lobster, sold any type of way. So cooked any type of way. You know, you name it, take it.
right.
what I'm saying?
All right.
So in Breeze in the Beach for right now, all we do have are snow cones and popcorn.
Okay.
But we typically sell snow cone, popcorn, slushies, hot dogs, chili dogs, you know?
Yes.
With chili, onion, cheese, everything. And
Yes.
we have smash burgers.
All right.
We sell fries, tacos, everything, you know?
Nice.
And we also do booth rentals.
Booth?
Booth rentals. So the tents.
Yeah, okay. Booth.
Booth.
Okay.
And we also do floaty rentals as well. So
Okay. So you rent eyeglasses and all these?
So we rent the snorkels or we sell it.
You rent the shoes I sell?
We actually sell.
You sell these?
But we do rent this.
Okay.
We have baby vests.
Okay.
We have other items with other
Okay. All right. And do you have a lifeguard here?
Yeah, we have two actually.
Okay, nice.
So one is an experienced diver and fisherman.
Okay.
So if you like anywhere, you
Yes.
can go there.
Alright.
And then we have another one.
All right. Nice to have you on my channel today. Father, what you want today?
What you don't know, you know?
Yes.
I do it on the beach, I do it, you know.
You see it?
The last time you truck home check, you know.
Yeah.
It was a tent we under.
Yes.
What you see now?
Let the EMC go on with yourself.
We're not done yet.
You see it?
They can't see the drill here.
Yeah.
When you fall back in, I see the drill.
Oh, drill out don't work. Keep pushing. Today we have it?
Breeze on the beach.
Yes.
Portmore Arbor.
Yes.
I'm the root and herbal product lady.
Some of the roots are there. Roots, man. Yeah.
Not root.
So what we can get these roots to buy?
You can contact me and you can also find it here at
You sell right here? Oh, wait, that's it. All right. So tell us the other location we can find you.
You can contact me via WhatsApp
Yes.
at 570-3033.
All right.
Right,
Cool.
that's where they can come at Breeze on the Beach and get them there.
My people. And are you met them? Are
It's
you?
me and my dad.
Oh, you me.
Yeah, brother. Straight
See.
Everything
So you all can find me on Instagram as
So I'll
Nas Herbal Bath and Beauty.
Right.
I look at Jelly Back man then.
Yeah.
Come see her.
A roots man I do it. All right. So a roots make she come out today. Oh, he's an experienced diver and lifeguard on the beach. Seriously?
Tonight the man fishing in my government.
Oh yeah, I say I go on with that.
The glass bottom kayak and all that.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Alright.
One of them did on the way. Appreciate you.
Just hold on.
You can yourself now. So you say you're a roots man and you're female. How would that go?
I'm the roots lady. I'm the herbal product.
No, look here. I saw me stay when you come out. Alright, we're outside.
More and more, it is all the kitchen there and that's all.
Yeah.
You know, you get your burger.
Yes.
Everything.
Yes. Yeah man, yeah man. Alright. We're outside.
Ever blessed child.
See you, sir.
And then we have that and many more.
Oh, you mean?
Yes.
So this is it, my people. Just walking away from Portmore Harbour Beach. And I'm going to take on Port Henderson Road like this. Yeah. I wonder if I can drive that way and go back around to Portmore Town Centre. I wonder. I thought this one was blocked off. Or this lead to a community. I'm not too sure as to how that one set up. But there you have it, my people. The place festive. Yeah, man. Rooms and restaurants and bar lounge. Yeah man, beach house. And that's a beach house look. So you can see the festiveness of this popular hens. Everything, a little of everything I was told you can find at Portmore. Port Henderson Road, aka Back Road. Room for days. Whatever bless, we'll be taking on the street in a hurry like this before it gets dark. And in the dark, Ever blessed, I got test him nerves to see if I can talk to or walk past the ladies of the night. See if I can get a 1 or 2 words with a few. No, very rare you can find a lady of the night who want to talk to you boldly on camera. Everyone is in them private mood, don't want to be seen by the public. But it's kind of strange because you're dressed skimpy, stand at the side of the road, everyone can see you, and then when you see camera you run away. Nice place, nice. Port Henderson Road, a clock. The beauty of this place continues to develop. Yeah man, every time you pass through this place you see something new. New buildings, new businesses. Yeah. The Loveness. The Loveness is right there. So I'll be walking. Yeah. Hotels are nice here. Yeah, one of these days. Nice hotels. Yeah. Well improved. Everyone, business is booming here. So everybody should be walking. And we'll be taking a small walk in the night. And just hoping that I can crack 1 or 2 interviews with some interested persons. Some people ever blessed us walk this journey and you have seen somewhere that you're familiar with, drop me a comment now man. Yeah man, drop ever bless a comment man and say yeah, I know the place they ever bless. Yeah. Yeah. So we're walking through and we showcase the places that we see in people. We don't cut nothing, we don't hold back no promotion from anything. It's not a paid one, but everybody's just kind. Yeah man. Everybody's just kind and want to showcase Jamaica to the world. Yeah man, so make persons know that Port Henderson Road is the place where you can end out and have fun. Fun mean welcome. Yeah. Nice. Nice again. Nice again. Yeah. It's nice. Sound of one around here. Alright. And you see them are clean up somewhere. In no time, they're gonna be buildings on that side. Yeah. Place nice. Everywhere I improve. Yeah man. Yeah man. Business is booming. This part of ground. Yeah man. Improvement here, there and everywhere. Place is nice. Yeah man, I've blessed travels I take it on for you like this. Yeah man. I've gone to a function on the upper floor of this place already. More than once, twice. Yeah, I know this place. They keep they do rental, they rent the upper floor and you journey with your food, family and friends, and you have fun. So yeah man, so then Casanova. Yeah man, so you can check out Casanova and rent the upper floor. Yeah man. I will walk through like this. Alright. Yeah. Streets are quiet this hour, but I can just imagine by 9-10 o'clock tonight that spot of ground that I just passed, that here will be festive with females lining the street asking, are you doing business? Channel. Yeah. So we'll take on the street like this, my people. Yeah. Security dogs. Wow, boy. You good? You good? Go away. Give you a little rum talk while I walk. A saying that when you enter a premises and there's dogs there, the small puppy, they say, come out. While the big one run up to it and say, no. I wonder if a rum talk or a real talk. And so the dog them operate. Yeah, man. So we're walking through, my people, and we're showing, nice little parking area here. And the ocean is there. So all along this stretch, you have the ocean to the left if you're going that way. Yeah, man. We're walking through. So we're vlogging the street, and we're showing you the beauty, my people, of this place. Business left, right, left, right. That place, I've traveled this side all the time. I didn't see that there was a building inside there. I always see the ones to the front. Oh. So that's why I mean, say it is very important when you walk. I see that, my people, look on the beauty. You can't tell me why. You can't tell me why no one the next year this time. The beauty that this place will be offering. There's no sign to say what it's gonna be. Yeah. But we know that this place are going with itself. Later on it's gonna be a lot of lights. Yeah. Portmore develop fast. Yeah. So later was a night now I'm here construction I want to see you. You're knocking my people. Wow. I also didn't know that there is such building to the back of that place. Everybody is walking and seeing them. August 3rd. Alright. Taking them construction on the people. Years. Pure beauty, look at that one. Nice. Yeah. Port Henderson Road, beautiful place. What you do over that side? Is a bar? What the name of the bar? You wanna give it a shout out? You wanna give the bar a shout out? You are the bartender? No. Big up the bar, no? Yeah. Big up the bar, no? You work here?
I want to go back TikTok.
YouTube.
Maybe yes, yeah.
May Ever Blessed Travels. Ever Blessed Travels. Yeah. What's the name of the bar?
Fiesta restaurant.
Oh. This is. So I was told that anywhere you're going to Jamaica, Port Henderson Road is where all of the beauty at, all of the fun, any type of fun. Not true?
Yeah, because the Back Road, you know all type of fun, sexual fun.
Yeah.
Every kind of fun out here. People on YouTube over the screen card me now.
Okay.
Every kind of fun out here.
Come on, so you're not feeling
Later
shy.
in the night, if you pass through, you see titties.
Like what?
Titty.
Like what time?
Like what time? And I think at 11 o'clock.
Cheese and peace. Me a night person. I can't stay out so late. So that means me not go see them then. Cheese and.
Yeah, you see snake tongue, lizard tongue, dog tongue, goose tongue, every kind of.
Chano?
Yeah.
Me can't stay so late.
Can't see us late.
No.
Right now, we get out of there and carry the Oxera markets come on later in the night. You get pum pum like crazy, 2.5 and up, you know, sell it
For real?
Yeah,
Jano. Yo, so what so you're working inside the bar? So a whole heap of vibes over there, sir?
Yes, you can circle.
Jano?
Jano,
But tonight, but you tell me something come 11 o'clock tonight. I'm a night person, I'm a day guy.
Bye, bye.
Jano?
I go back up until the people them say them ready for go. Watch me on YouTube now, because I
No, man. I say, let me take a little look. Let me just take a little quick look inside here. Don't move. Eh? But let's show a little bit inside. So entertainment ladies. I'm just hoping that when I'm passing back you'll be here. Yes, so we can hold a vibe. I'm not sure are the late hours there.
we are there, man. Vibes are full, you know.
So you have a go around for free if me come?
No,
so me can't get a free liquor if me come back. So not go around, not go on the back road for free.
That's what they get. I'll tell you everything I sell around here.
Jano. Alright.
Cheapest thing on your liquor and back of goods. But anything else, 2.5 and up.
Oh, you mean. So and the persons and these ladies are at what them? Fiesta. Alright.
So the culture them to be nice.
Look how much music, yes.
Cheese and peace. Okay. I'll talk to you guys. I'll see you guys later. Alright. Yeah, man. So there you have it, my people. Them festive ladies who are talk up the things. The people I want to say at least. I want to see a couple more of them ladies there. I like them energy. Yeah, man. Energy them real. So now I walk the street. And my people light turn on already, you know. So how much money I got to able to show you? Yeah, I want to cross the little street, yeah. Like this. Yeah. And we have continued to showcase as much as possible because that's what we do. We show off our country. Yeah, man. So my people, like, share and subscribe to Ever Blessed Travels. Share with the family and your friends, my people. Tell everybody say Ever Blessed outside and walk Port Henderson Road. Yeah, man. And we are make people know all that Portmore, Port Henderson Road has to happen. Big up yourself. Now, I feel like you, G. You want to pick up your place? What you do at your place? Alright, yeah, chef? What you do over your place? Well, you want to be a part of my vlog? Okay. So this are the... This place is new? How long since this place open?
We're not sure.
Okay. You sure you want to be a part of my vlog? Alright. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool. So that is it, my people. So my traveling family, hey, my intention is to showcase every business place that is on Port Henderson Road, as long as I get the chance. Big up yourself, General. Alright. So we are walk through. So we're trying our best, my people, to showcase as much as possible before the ladies of the night come out. So we're taking on the street. I'm just hoping that I'm able to walk it to the fishing village where I can meet up with Shelly and the team there. Shelly, Blackfire, what's my female friend name again? Pumpkin, or Punky. Yeah, man. Punky and treat me good, my people. Punky. I reach out to Punky on Instagram and she don't reply. And Punky has a popular voice. Punky has a vibe where all of you like. Black Diamond has a beautiful vibe. Black Diamond fall asleep on the job, my people. So when I want Black Diamond to create I wanted was to have Black Diamond creating a channel for herself where she can vlog and make something of herself, and Black Diamond fall asleep on the job, my people. So when you don't see a video come out with Black Diamond, it doesn't have anything to do with Everblessed Travels. Everblessed Travels give her this platform to showcase herself. She showcase herself and then fall asleep. Not Everblessed fault, right? So for all the persons who were crying out, where is Black Diamond? Where is Black Diamond? Not my fault. I give her the chance. So for all of the younger YouTubers that are associated with Everblessed Travels, all young YouTubers, the platform that they are for now, showcase on yourself. So reach out to Everblessed Travels and I'll walk with you. No joke, no fear, no joke, no fear, no joke, no joke, no joke. Police officer there, so I conduct business. Yeah. Walk through. Yeah. You walk out, you want to be a part of the vlog, yeah? So you just walk out in your camera. So, man I go in a handcuff. Man I go in a handcuff. Yeah. I should have just show him. If I see me I come with the camera and just walk out. So I should have show him. But never do them job, I do my own. Them a handcuff man, yeah, walk the street. We outside together doing different things. Yeah, man. So for all of my new subscribers, the person who have subscribed to Everblessed Travels from last month to now, a big thank you. You have done well. You have subscribed to Everblessed Travels and make Everblessed Travels proud. Appreciate you so much for your support. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that is it. I'll walk through and show the place. See us riders. You know? That's a place name. Yeah. Place has some. The next nice to go hands out there again. Yeah, man, we're showcase the place then. Some of people, so for all the person who are branding Back Road about the ladies of the night, that is not all that Back Road have to offer. Back Road a business place, and you have Back Road provide little every kind of business. Yeah. So the person, yeah, one other person who are thinking that it's just the ladies of the night, not so. Back Road is known for seafood. Yeah, man. Restaurants, hotels. For days. Left, right, and center buildings, alright. So if you want to stop on the left and do business, or you want to stop on the right and do business, if you want to stop in at the day or in at the night, your business. Stop and do your business. Yeah, man. And I'm walking through as fast as possible, because I really want to go to the fishing village. Nice hotel again. See? Nice. And so don't put up a wall here, so. But another business place. Soon gone this again. No joke. Businesses. Yeah, man. Showcase again. They're cleaning up on the right side there. Way over. Give you by now and the end of this year. Business again. Jamaica not playing with business. So why should I play with the street? Yeah. The place now play for improve themselves. So why can't I improve myself? And if I am improving myself, it's because of you, my subscribers. You, my supporters, who continue to give me your full support. Ever Blessed Travels is saying, I appreciate you. Yeah, man. So if you have watched this video this far, I'm going to be asking of you, my people, kindly to subscribe to my channel. Touch the like button. Touch the post notification bell, so that every time I upload a video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. So you know, if you have another friend that call you and I say, you see new video Ever Blessed Travels post? No, don't make no one call you after that. No one call you and ask you if you see it. You should have seen it. Yeah, man, see, I tell you, tractor dig, must be foundation it dig over this. Yeah, man, business is booming here in Port Henderson Road. So as I said, people take a look good. Over there so used to be bushy. Now then clean up over there. Yeah. This sign is saying no hoping. And then they go back on and say no parking. Yeah, man. Yeah. Business. Yeah, man. See it? They're cleaning. Oh, that's a drain. That's a water drain. Water drain. Oh, popular apprentice. Yeah. People, my intention is to let me get a quick look inside apprentice. Let me show you inside apprentice. Apprentice, the last video and post, they were frying festival, fish and festival right there. So this is the parking lot for Prentice. So I'm gonna just take a little quick look and show you all inside. Look, they play music inside here. Yeah. So this is the ocean. Yeah, this is the ocean. Nice. Nice. Okay, so say there's a deep in the music and this up. Apprentice. Yeah, man. Soft music. I run out back because my intention is to walk to the fishing village. Wow. It's a long walk, my people. But I choose to do this because this is what I love. I love to walk and see new things, interact with new people, see new places. Yeah. That is it. Nice. This Prentice is very spacious. Yeah, man. So this is all. This is the Prentice. Yeah, man. I can reach them out. They have my phone number, my people. That's how you look them. Seafood. Yeah. We're walking through. I was showing, we're not sure if they're doing a fence there or they're doing a drain. Or they're digging. Jewels. Jewels Resort. It's right there. See? Business is booming. Yeah. So right now, Ever Blessed Travels is sweating like a pig. And the night is down. Wow. And I'm so far away from the fishing village. Not sure if I'm going to be able to make it because after certain hours then start to pack up. So I might not be able to reach to the fishing village. So maybe when I reach to the fishing village, but this is a new place. This place is called Portmore. Yeah, man, restaurant and thing. So me tell you, my people, this place is left and right. So there you have it, my people. This famous bar here, Punta's Paradise. Yeah, man, I'm walking down. Night catch ever bliss. Want to come at this place and eat a fish one of these days. Okay. Walking through bargains. Let's get down, my people, not able to see as much. Big up yourself in general. There's a vlog I know. Let me take it in front of you, but maybe you don't want to show. So I go on. How Back Road I go on?
Back Road is as usual.
Same old Back Road.
Vital, vibrant.
Yeah. Business a boom.
Business right.
Yeah. And if you and I noticed I was walking from Portmore Harbour Beach.
Yeah.
And where is that business that I clean up?
Come on.
Channel is.
It's like the most apartments.
Yeah, you can't just I can't just imagine buying one next year.
Yeah, man, one next year, a different type of boat.
For real? Yeah.
More profit.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man. So I walk the street already.
Yeah, man.
And the people request that me back. So I don't repeat.
You will see about the thing here.
Ever blessed travels, man.
No, yeah.
Yeah, man, we showcase the beauty of the place and the business and everything, see? We're outside.
Yeah.
See him, sir, my brother. See him, sir. Yeah, man. So you see that? The man saying, watch. And him like what me do. So I would don't like. Whoa. Yeah, but me reach a fishing village. Yeah? That's the name again. Come all the while. Choose that. Jollies, right. You're at Jollies. So Jollies is a popular place. How you doing today, my princess? Oh, you look so cool. What you drink? I drink water or you drink liquor? Oh, you want to say hi to this vlog here? Okay. You work at Jollies? Jollies are the which one of the restaurant around here? Well, but Jollies are improved, man. Really? Them renovate them place. I can see new renderings and all that. Wow. No, one time I come back. Alright, big up yourself, yeah? We need ever let's Jollies. Yeah, check me out. I vlog inside already. I have meal inside already. So I know what they must have to say. Alright, walk the street. Alright. Yeah, man. So, fishing village is near. I'll check Shirley and say we can have a talk with Shirley. Good evening. Alright. Yeah, we reach quick, man. Yeah, I see. There's some sand on the side here, so I really need to get rid of the sand. Yeah. Lobster frying. Are you originally on Black Fire or what? You're originally on Black Fire? Yeah. I'm fried fish. No, take it there. Real fish killer. Real. You lose a friend, Black Fire. You lose a friend.
I'm popping and I represent forever blessed travels. You know,
straight out.
Like, share and subscribe. You see me popping there with Black Fire himself. You know the thing go. We are not the NSC, you know the thing go.
What you say you're the NSC? Black Fire.
So like a man that NSC, you make many sick.
Yeah.
Girl, your body clean, I have to put it on you. Up in your feeling, through your what you come in.
Jesus and peace. Mr. Send to me every time. Listen to me now, man. Show me how you fry fish then. You have fried fish and you have what? You have fried fish and you have lobster.
Lagusta.
Lapusta.
Lagusta.
Lagus.
Yeah, come in.
Alright. And when you have this, Jano?
Curry.
Curry what?
Curry conk.
Jesus and peace. Somebody will get a baby. And you have
when she's crying,
Jano.
she won't come.
Jano.
What's popping?
That is it, my pa.
She's popping. All the sexy girls in me shopping.
Yes. And with the Black Fire ends. With that your HQ.
Show them HQ.
Alright, we can run through your HQ, we can see what go on, we can see what go on. Alright, my people, so show you say I pay business go on a Back Road, you see it? So this is Black Fire ends and this is the bar where you can get all of your hype drinks.
Bartender fix up and set.
Yes, big inside bartender for fix up.
And set up. So
Yeah.
I'm bartender for sexy.
Jano.
Yeah, me walk the whole yo. Friend me big hands them around yo. Look for that. Sexy
Yeah.
bartender.
Jano.
Chapat and my brand. Look. I don't see fire, you know. See it, yeah? You're not showing them no more. Leave ever showing you, black. I don't see fire.
Yeah.
You see me?
And this is your HQ.
One HQ.
So business popping.
Business passing.
And fish is killing. Fish is dying.
I just fish on left that come, you know the thing go crab everything.
Yeah.
One Black Fire.
See there.
Link up on Port Henderson Road, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is it.
So you come at the fish village, you just sell a little left turn there.
Man, I'm curious, man.
And I HQ that. Popping.
Shout out Black Fire, isn't it?
Jano.
Yeah.
Jano.
You can get all of the info in the description.
Yeah.
Black Fire.
So talk to me about your hands now. What with
You know the thing that
shout out the Instagram and all that.
You know now after 3 that day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big up, you don't know the man there and the camera, you know the thing go.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it I say?
Outside.
Outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
I'm big up to my brother Perky, one king, you know. I will put the crown on him, Ed!
Jano. So are you last your brother, yeah? Are you brother?
Brother, friend.
Yeah. And everything I mix
now,
up.
man. You see me?
And it's all up my Port Henderson Road.
No man, I'm not putting it.
There you have it, my people, just giving you a sneak preview as to how Port Henderson Road, aka Back Road, the beauty of it in the night. Stay tuned, my people. The ladies of the night is coming up. Stay tuned and watch however blessed I'll get close and personal with them as we go. As much as possible, I will be trying my best, my people, to deliver. We're outside. Like always. So let's make a solo walk through this thoroughfare, my people. Yeah, man. The busy thoroughfare, aka Back Road. Jano? Yeah, man. It's dark though. Yeah. See me now. Hi. I saw a YouTuber walk through and I don't
They pick up me on that?
no man. I was quite how you watch to the right.
Oh.
Are you scared of camera?
I want them to have a life.
But no man, you can't talk to them.
Wanna?
Eh? You first talk to them?
Wanna, sir?
Johnny.
I think she is.
Me not put camera upon you like that. Me not put camera upon you like that, man. But if you want to talk to me, you can talk to me as to how life is like, what Back Road is like. You can't do that?
No, I'm not the panda.
Oh, you're not the panda. Alright. So difficult one of people. No night workers is willing to talk to you on camera. Yeah man, they scare the camera of people there. they are saying that they have them life to live and them have them children, and they can't afford to be on camera to make them children see the life that they live. So I was wondering if so be, why not choose another life to live instead of living that way.